so section 4.5, last one in there. Last one in the logs section talks about solving equations that have either exponentials in them or logs in them. If we've got equations with exponentials or logs, then what we can do is we can isolate either the exponential, in this situation exponential, in this situation logs, all by themselves on one side, everything else to the other, and then do something special. So if we're going to solve this exponential equation, 2 times e to the x equals 50, first of all we isolate the e to the x. Isolate whatever exponential you've got on one side. Simply divide by 2. We go to the original equation, 2e to the x power equals 50. Divide by 2, divide by 2. E to the x power equals 25. Sorry, 25. Get the equivalent equation, e to the x power equals 25, just simply by dividing by 2. First step, here's our a, divide by 2. Isolate the exponential on one side. Then we can take the natural log or the log of each side to get an equivalent equation. We're always going to go through equivalent equations. Next step is, step B, take the, in this case, natural log. This is an e here. If we take the natural log of each side, take the natural log of e to the x and the natural log of 25, we can get an equivalent equation. Natural log of e to the x allows us to bring the x down to the main floor, I call it. X, instead of x being an exponent inside the log, the x can become a coefficient outside in front of the log. So now this becomes x times ln of e equals ln of 25. The nice thing about that is that ln of e is 1, because this ln, natural log of e, means the base is e. So this underlined thing is saying e to what power is e, has to be 1. So this goes away because it's now x times 1. X equals ln of 25. So if we take, step B says take the natural log of each side to get the equation x equals ln, the natural log of 25. And there's our equivalent equation. And now we simply take a calculator and calculate what ln of 25 is. And we get ln of 25 is 3.21. I suppose I'd round off to 9. 3.219, and there's our answer. X equals 3.219, and we're done. We've isolated all we have to do for what's given to us. If we're given something like this in the rectangle here, 2 times e to the x power equals 50, isolate the e to the x power by dividing or subtracting or whatever to get everything away from the e to the x power, or to get everything away from the exponential statement, exponential term. Divide, in this case, all we have to do is divide by 2. Gives us this. Take the natural log of each side. In the green, natural log of each side gives us x equals ln of 25, and we solve for ln equals 3.217, and we're done.